Hello, welcome to session 6 of our Key Stage 1 music lessons. So we're going to do a very simple warm-up before we get into our other activities. So watch what I'm going to do. Hey there clappers, I'm a very cool cat. You do that, ready? Hey there clappers, I'm a very cool cat. Listen, with a little bit of this and a little bit of that. Your turn. With a little bit of this and a little bit of that. Listen. I can stretch up high, I can bend down low. You do that with me. I can stretch up high, I can bend down low. Now listen, that's how to make a great pulse go. Get your finger ready. Here we go. That's how to make a great pulse go. Let's put it together. Ready? Hey there clappers, I'm a very cool cat. With a little bit of this and a little bit of that. I can stretch up high, I can bend down low. That's how to make a great pulse go. Last time. Hey there clappers, I'm a very cool cat. With a little bit of this and a little bit of that. I can stretch up high, I can bend down low. That's how to make a great pulse go. Well done. Now, we're going to sing the song from last week, the clock song. Remember the grandfather clock. Tick, tock, tick, tock. The wall clock, tick, tock, tick, tock, tick, tock. And the little clock watches tick, tock, tick, tock, tick, tock, tick, tick, tock, tick, tick, tock, tick. Well done.
The grandfather clock in the hall says tick tock, tick tock. What does the clock on the wall say? Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. What do little watchers all say? Tick-a-tock-a, 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 tick.
In our last few sessions, we have learnt about these notes: crotchet beats or walking notes, crotchet rests or silencers, shh, and quavers, running notes. And we have seen how they work in rhythms. In a moment, we are going to play the rhythm clock game. But first, we need to think about the rhythms we are going to use using crotchets, crotchet rests and quavers. How many numbers are there on a clock face? Just have a think. Did you get it right? Yes, there are 12 numbers, which mean we need to make up 12 rhythm patterns for our clock. To make it easier for us to read the rhythm patterns, we can use words or phrases to help. Phrases like, don't tell mum, shh. Let's say that together. Ready? Are you ready? Here we go. Don't tell mum, shh. The rhythm pattern looks like this. Let's try it again and clap the rhythm. Are you ready? Here we go. Don't tell mum, shh. Well done. Let's try that 2 or 3 more times. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't tell mum, shh. Again, don't tell mum, shh. One more time. Don't tell mum, shh. Well done. Let's think of another pattern. To help me, I have used some things I have at home. Alpaca sheep, shh. Let's try that together. Ready? After 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alpaca sheep, shh. Well done. Let's do it again 2 or 3 more times. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Alpaca sheep, shh. Alpaca sheep, shh.
Alpaca, sheep. One more time. Alpaca, sheep. Shh. Good. Here's another rhythm. What does this rhythm sound like? Try it and see. Let's try it together after I've counted 4. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Shh, 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 shh. Had you got it right? Let's do it together again. Ready? After 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shh, 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 shh. Good. We now have 3 rhythm patterns for our clock, so we need 9 more to complete the clock face before we play our game. You can either clap or you can tap your wooden spoons or plastic bowl for each rhythm. Remember to say shh on the rests. The words will come first for us to say and the rhythms will come afterwards. We will do each rhythm 4 times. To make it easier, we will have some backing music to help us keep in time. Here comes the first rhythm. Listen. Jelly on a plate. Shh. Your turn. Ready? 3. And jelly on a plate. Shh. Get ready to clap that with me. Ready? And jelly on a plate. Shh. Again. Jelly on a plate. Shh. One more time. Jelly on a plate. Shh. One more time. Jelly on a plate. Shh. Well done. Listen to the next phrase. Chocolate buttons, yum, yum. Your turn to say that with me. Ready? And chocolate buttons, yum, yum. Good. Let's clap it. Here we go. And chocolate buttons, yum, yum. Again. Chocolate buttons, yum, yum. Again. Chocolate buttons, yum. Yeah, last time. Chocolate buttons, yum, yum. Well done. Look at our next rhythm. It goes like this. Shh, shh, shh. Bang. Your turn. Ready? And shh, shh, shh. Bang. Ready? Again. 3, 4. Shh, shh, shh. Bang. Shh, shh, shh. Bang. Shh, shh, shh. Bang. Shh, shh, shh. Bang. Well done. Look at our next rhythm. It goes like this. Tick, tock, tick, tock. Say that with me. Ready? And tick, tock, tick, tock. Now let's say it and clap it. Ready? Here we go. And tick, tock, tick, tock. Again. Tick, tock, tick. One more time. Tick, tock, tick, tock. Last time. Tick, tock, tick, tock. Our next rhythm goes like this. Look, it goes shh, cuckoo. You try that. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Shh, cuckoo. Now let's clap it and say it. Shh, cuckoo. Shh, 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 cuckoo. Shh, 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 cuckoo. Shh, shh. Again. Shh, cuckoo. Shh. Now tick, shh, tock. Shh. You say that. Ready? Here we go. And tick, shh, tock. Shh. Now let's clap it as we say it. Ready? And tick, shh, tock. Shh. Tick, shh, tock. Shh. Tick, shh, tock. Shh. Tick, tick, shh, tock. Shh. Well done. Look at the next one. It goes like this. Running after teddy bears. Say that with me. Here we go. And running after teddy bears. Now let's say it and clap it. Ready? And running after teddy bears. Again. Running after teddy bears. Run after teddy bears. Last time. Running after teddy bears. Well done. Listen to our next one. Shh, bang, shh, crash. You say that with me. Ready? And shh, bang, shh, crash. Let's clap it and say it. Ready? And shh, bang, shh, crash. Shh, bang, bang, shh, crash. Shh, bang, shh, crash. Well done. Our last rhythm goes goodbye, shh, shh. Let's try that. Ready? Here we go. Goodbye, shh, shh. And again. Ready? 3, 4. Goodbye, shh, shh. Goodbye, shh, shh. Goodbye, shh. Last time. Goodbye, shh, shh. Well done. We are now ready to put our rhythms on our clock. There are many ways that we can play our clock game. Today, I'm going to call out the number on the clock and I'd like you to join in with me clapping that rhythm pattern. Remember to clap on the beats or say shh for the rests. We will do each rhythm 4 times. We'll start with number 1. Have a look. Here we go. Shh. 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 Well done. Now let's have a look at number 6. Get ready, here we go. Shh. 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 Well done. Look at number 4. Let's see how this goes. Are you ready? And shh, 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 shh. Fantastic. Now let's look at number 8. Ready and last time. Now look all the way down to number 10. Let's do this together. Ready? Shh, 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 shh. Last time. Shh, shh. Now all the way up to the top. Look at number 12. Let's do this together. Ready and shh, 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 shh. And finally we're going to finish with number 2. Are you ready? Here we go and shh, shh, shh. Last time. Shh. Fantastic. Well done. Now it's your turn to play your own rhythm clock game. As the backing track plays, choose whatever number on the clock you want and clap its rhythm. Then you can choose another rhythm and clap that. You can do this as often as you like by repeating this slide. Have fun! That's it for today. See you next time.